Napa Vine Parade with the Pacific Northwest Steel Soldiers. Oh yeah. Hi guys, Dave Anderson here, Helicool's Helipad. Today I got a call from Mike Moffitt and he says, hey man, where you at? I'm like, well dude, it's Saturday. I'm just kind of chilling out now because I had a long week. And he's like, hey, there's a parade. So, and it's local. So whenever Mike Moffitt or any of my brothers call, Dave hauls. So here I am at the Funtime Festival in Napa Vine, Washington. And I'm here with the Pacific Northwest Steel Soldiers. And we're having a good time. Showing off the military spirit. Proud to be an American. This,
there are two different rounds, right?
The M1
Or the A1. Okay, and then
the M1 ran.
okay,
So it's a 30 carbine and a 30 gun
it was the old 30 cal set, right?
Right.
Right. Okay.
Bin,
Right.
and there's a
And
500-pound
all the
bomb
M1 grants
with the bin on the back end of the trailer,
so they made one for
and the
her.
shell in the center is a 16-inch. Weighs 1,750 pounds without the explosives.
Hide behind this for actual protection though. I mean, if they got 22, you know, beyond
I
that,
bought that up in Centralia.
Well, that's why they had 50 cal.
It's just a little bit north of the Franz Bakery there.
Well,
They had them in there. I paid,
you know what I thought?
but it wasn't the BMG 50 cal. They're 50 cal. Single rotation, counter rotating. That was the whole point of it. Also,
Wow. Floating mine.
whiz bang.
It's not where I put it. But the 80s.
Small kickboard.
No driver under 16.
Yeah.
You know, Katie on the other hand.
She fits in anything, she's tiny.
Literally, she used to run the car down the bus stop with kids.
Wow.
What do you want, your Lucky Strike sign? For a convention, and I was in there, and I says, I got this container at home, and he says, oh, you mean the one you're sitting on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Maramites, these used to be for food, hot food.
Yeah, but then they used hundreds of them for blood.
Yeah, to keep it cold.
Yeah.
It's been years since he's had this thing out. I thought he had another one too, though.
Oxygen and propane fired 50 cal. Right on. That would sound really cool.
During the war,
The trip with Pacific Northwest Steel Soldiers, I never know what they're going to be up to. Every time I've gone out with them, though, it has been really, really fun. I totally encourage you to come along with, especially if you are around in the Chehalis Centralia area within about 100 miles of us or so. It's even, I shouldn't say that. It's even better, or worth it rather, if you were to come from 200, 300, 400 miles away. It's still pretty epic. But definitely come to these events. It's a heck of a lot of fun, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. You know, in that half track, I remember as a kid, a preteen, riding around in that half track during the Egg Day Festival, and it used to go on all day. We would have water balloon fights with pedestrians on the street. They'd be throwing them at us. Of course, we're in a half track, so we were pretty well guarded. But doggone it, just the memories just came flooding back when I saw that half track. I have ridden in that half track dozens of times when I was a kid. I never knew what happened to it. Now I do. Come join us at the next Pacific Northwest Steel Soldiers event. I'm sure it's going to be amazing, whatever it is. Until next time, I'm Dave Anderson signing out. You guys be safe out there, and God bless.